upstairs will be apartments, won't it?
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. Blood in the wind. That's a really weird walkway, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
I think it takes you down to Soul Hall. Yeah, I got that right. It just looks so bad. Yeah, people are out on their lunches.
Yeah, there must be. It's that time, isn't it?
What time is it? 1?
Yeah, 12:30, 1. The buildings are so nice here, aren't they? Look at
Of course they are. I don't know if they're as old as they look, but
that. Must be.
those girls have been made to look like that.
IKEA's opened up now. They call it IKEA City. So what's space NK then?
It's like quirky and beauty.
Good on them.
That kind of
It's quite busy now. I think everyone's out for lunch.
shit.
Oh right. Two on the floor.
Whilst we're at M&S, you can figure out how far we are from Fortnum.
Supposed to be here somewhere. No?
Fortnum's is on the strand. It's not closed.
Oh my god. And they would go and fuck off away.
Okay. We're walking through Oxford Street.
Don't we have a nice coffee in the coffee shop upstairs?
Yeah, we'll see how much it costs up there. What's changed in Oxford Street? I think what's changed, the American sweet shops have all shut down. There's a few left, but most of them are just gone. Literally, felt like they just disappeared overnight. Crazy. But yes, it doesn't seem that busy at the moment. I guess everyone's at work, which is good.
Well, it's Thursday, isn't it? So people are working, people at school.
Here, just coming up to Selfridges now. Just look at that building, guys.
That strawberry thing at the side here. I missed it.
Just look at that building.
Show that on top of it, yeah.
That's amazing.
Purpose built. By
Purpose
Mr.
built.
Selfridges himself.
Yeah, I'm sure he got builders in, but still.
It has a rooftop cafe, rooftop cafe, but doesn't have the best reviews. So I don't think we'll be going up there
Oh,
today.
okay. Yeah. I don't think we ever been, have we?
No, I don't think so. But let's use the main entrance today. We usually use one of the side doors, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's use the main entrance. That's got. Oh, there's a fellow with a top hat and a cane. Do you think he's Selfridge's staff or just like yellow?
No, he's just a normal guy just hanging
He's a
around.
meet and greeter.
Is he?
Yeah, he's got a Selfridge's staff on.
Alright.
Smart. And gold
Yeah.
shoes. Here he is.
Who likes revolving doors? Oops. Wow. We have come here so many times, but we never get tired of Selfridges.
And it's so quiet.
I know. When we came in Christmas, we literally couldn't move, could we?